up? This is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, I am still here at Samsung's Bespoke area, and we have something again new from the Bespoke line, one that I really wish was earlier, but I'm so excited for next year. This is the Bespoke wall oven, actually dual wall oven with this one. And one of the coolest things about this is, just like the Bespoke line, it doesn't often have handles, and they've actually been able to do that with an oven. It's actually going to be a push to open on this one, and it's really just, again, those little fine touches that Samsung does on their appliances. But not only that, you have a 7-inch screen that you can see here, and I love what it can do because it does also have the world's first
full steam cooking technology. It not only has full steam, of course it also has the add steam, sous vide, and air fry. In addition, internally, it is very smart. It's not just externally gorgeous, it is internally intelligent. What I mean by that is that there is a camera inside. You can actually see what you are cooking, see exactly how gorgeous it's looking, like cookies. You can see the browning of the turkey. You can see that nice crust. And with the camera, I would be a fool not to mention the AI technology that is paired with it. With AI, it will actually sense what food you are cooking and recommend temperature and time frame. So that way there is less guesswork. Not only that, but for your influencer, for your mom, it actually also has the ability to assist you with sharing that information. You want a picture? You want a video? You want a time lapse? You can do it. Time lapse. Oh my gosh. I want to see that turkey go from raw to beautifully cooked. Can't wait for Thanksgiving.
That sounds like easy content for me too.
Easy content, right?
That's great.
So it's great for your influencer, great for your mom. It has that ability to help you out in all of it. That's Samsung for you.
Awesome. It's just really amazing what Samsung's Bespoke line has to offer, and we have more to come on other videos, so make sure to follow and subscribe because there are so many things here at CES 2023 from Samsung.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.